If my eyes are watering and I have this lash all the way over in my tear duct, it's not gonna stick. It is gonna end up falling off or popping up looking like this. And I'm gonna be walking around looking like a crazy woman. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button right down below and hit the bell notification that will let you know every time I drop a new video. So today I'm going to show you guys how I put on my lashes. Quick and easy. It's really simple, you guys. I know lashes can be very difficult. They really are a challenge, but all you have to do is just keep practicing and keep working at it. Do not give up, and it will become that much easier for you to put them on. So I'm gonna show you guys everything that I use to put on my lashes. Okay, so I got these from Amazon. I don't remember how much they were. I think they're $11, $12. I don't know, I have it somewhere over here. And then I'll have the link in the description box. But yeah, I got these from Amazon. These are my more like natural type lashes. I wear these for whenever I'm doing like my everyday look, or if I'm doing more of like a subtle makeup look, then I will wear these. So once again, these are from Amazon. And then these are optional. These are eyelash tweezers. You can find these on Amazon as well. These are an option to use on your lashes, and the regular tweezers are also an option. Either or is, you know, fine with me. I don't really care. For a beginner, I do recommend these because of the shape. It is in the shape of your eye. It's in the shape of your eyelid. So it makes it a lot easier to pick up the lash. Get it just like that, and then put it on your eye. And I will I'll get to that part. I'll show you guys how to use it. But I do recommend these tweezers for beginners. It'll make it so much easier. And then glue, I use this glue, Kiss Strip Adhesive. You can also get this on Amazon. They sell them in packs of 2s, I think 4s, but I normally get the packs of 2, and it'll last me for a good little while. And that is all I use for my lashes. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so first I'm going to get my lash, and I'm going to measure. And by that, I mean I'm going to put it on my eye and see how long it is. And normally these lashes are too long for my eye. I don't like for the corner part right here, I don't like for that to end up in my tear duct. If my eyes are watering and I have this lash all the way over in my tear duct, it's not gonna stick. It is gonna end up falling off or popping up looking like this, and I'm gonna be walking around looking like a crazy woman. So I have to cut it down a little bit. So I have these small scissors here that I keep on my desk, and you can tell, can you see that? Okay. So you can tell which side goes towards the tear duct, and it's going to be where the smaller pieces, or the more shorter pieces are. And and on the other end is going to be longer. So that's how you know which eye to put the lash on, okay? Where you see the shorter hairs, that's going to go towards your tear duct, and where you see the longer hairs, that's going to go on the end. All right, so this one I know is going to go on my left eye. So now I am going to go ahead and cut off just a little bit on the end, probably this much, just that much. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other lash, and you can hold it. You can hold the lash you cut already in front of your other lash to make sure that you cut the same amount off. I don't do that because I've been doing it for a while, but I do recommend that for beginners. If you want your lashes to be even, put the lash you already cut in front of the new lash. That way you can see where you need to cut. Okay, so my lashes are cut and ready to be applied. So now I'm going to go in with my glue. Okay. And this is a very, very easy applicator. All I have to do is literally slide the glue onto the strip lash. Okay, I'm gonna hold it up here so you guys can see.
Scene 98.
Okay, and this is what the glue looks like upon application, but when it dries, it will be clear, so your eyes will not look white. All right, I'm gonna do the same thing on this one. You don't wanna put too much, because then your eyes are most likely gonna be stuck together. Just put enough to where it will stick and stay on all day. All right, that's how that looks there. So now it's time to fan and dry. You don't want it to dry completely, because of course then it will not stick. Dry it enough, or fan them just enough to make the glue sticky or tacky. So you can tap on it lightly tap on it, and if it still feels super wet, then it's not ready. Keep drying, and if it feels tacky or sticky to the touch, then it's ready. But again, you don't want it to get too dry, because then you're gonna have to do the glue all over again. Okay, so just fan it for a couple of seconds, and then they should be ready. I normally start with the lash that I cut and put the glue on first, because I don't want it to dry out. So on this eye, I'm going to put the lash on with my fingers, because that's just how I like to do it. It's a lot easier and convenient for me. And on this eye, I'm going to put the lash on with the tweezers. Okay, so I'm just going to place the lash on top of my lashes, being careful not to get any of them caught in the glue or stuck underneath the faux lash. And then I'm going to gently start pressing the lash upward, just like that. And I also like to brush the lashes up with my finger a bit to make sure that they're not going to be facing on downward, making my eye look droopy. Okay, making sure the corner towards my tear duct is on there real good. Okay, so I'm gonna have to go in and fix it. So to fix it, I squeeze the false lash into my lashes. And for this, I also use the tweezers. I don't like that space between the false lash and my lash. It just looks weird. Okay, so this is how I'm going to get the lash. Slide it in there just like that. And I'm going to place it above my lashes, right on top on that skin area right there.
Scene 98.
Okay, so now I'm going to finish the job with my fingers, making sure that the lash is all the way on my eye. On there pretty good. All right, I have a piece hanging. Cut that off real quick. I don't know how that happened. Okay, so now both lashes are on. So I'm going to take the tweezers and I'm going to press the faux lash into my lashes to make sure there's no space in between the two. Be careful not to pinch yourself with the tweezers. And if you do, it's okay, sis. It happens. We all do it. I still do it from time to time, especially when I'm moving too fast. And that's pretty much it, sis. That is how you put on your lashes like a boss. And like I said, it is going to take some time to get used to it, whether you use the technique with just your fingers, or if you put them on with the tweezers and then press them together with the tweezers. It all takes time. It is okay. You are going to glue your eyes shut. You're gonna glue your eyes shut. You're gonna use too much glue and get it all over the lashes. It's okay, sis. Just when it happens, just woosah, deep breath, say a quick prayer, meditate, whatever you need to do to get your zen and come back to. It is okay if any of that happens. It happened to me. Sometimes it still happens to me. Sometimes I use too much glue and get it all down here and mess up my concealer. It happens. It happens. Nobody's perfect. Nobody's a perfect MUA who never messes up a big mistake. It happens. But do not quit. Keep going. Keep practicing. Keep buying those lashes. Keep buying that glue. Keep using those tweezers if that's what helps you, sis. But don't give up. You will get it. And you will be putting your lashes on like a boss. All right. So that is it, friends. I hope you guys were able to follow that. And I hope you learned some tips and some tricks on how to apply your lashes. If you have not already, do not forget to subscribe. Thumbs up this video if you felt like it was helpful. Share this video. Let's spread the love, sis. Let's all help each other. Thank you guys for watching. God bless. Please continue to stay safe out there. And I will see you guys in my next video.